Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 3 of my Spring Decor 2026, where today I am using items from my Spring Decor haul and bringing them to life in our family room. If you're tuning in for the first time, I am doing something completely different for me and probably what is not normal for spring. I'm decorating my family room and kitchen in black, white, and soft green. And in today's video, I'm showing you how it all comes together in our family room. I hope what you see today inspires you to follow what makes you feel good in your space and not what is on trend. So please remember to give this video a like, sit back, relax, and enjoy. It's early in the morning, which is my favorite time to decorate. For me, it's the start of a fresh new day. Everything is calm, still, and peaceful, which is a time when things really flow well for me. No noise, no distractions. What I'm doing here is bringing out some of my decor and putting it in the area that I'll be using it. I also have my design notes that I put together when I decided that this was the direction I was going in for spring. I put on paper how I wanted the room to feel and how I wanted to decorate different spaces in the room. That way, I could have a clear vision and I could then shop for what I needed. The first thing I'm decorating in this room is the Counsel because, you guys, it is going to make such a statement in this room. And it brings that energy that I need for the decor choices that I make in the rest of the room. So for me, it started with a pillow cover. Then I thought about how I wanted to decorate this Counsel. And from there, everything else just fell into place. So you guys, if you've been following me, you know that I love neutral, moody colors, and I typically will lean towards traditional colors for spring as well. But this year, I just wanted something different that felt fresh, but still calm and grounded. And this black as contrast, the white keeps everything light and airy the way we want them in spring. And this green, it just brings in that natural spring feeling. One of the things that I do when I decorate is I lay things out instead of putting everything together at once. That way I can see everything and then just move things around until I get the look and the feel that I am looking for. So if you're decorating for spring, don't feel like you have to follow traditional colors. If there is a particular palette that makes you feel calm and happy in your space, then that's the one that you use. Trust your instincts. So, guys, leave in the comments and let us know, do you decorate with traditional colors, or do you like to try something different? Or would you like to try something different, but you really don't know where to start? I believe that your home should be the place where you bring your authentic self into your design decisions. We see so many trends online, but at the end of the day, you want to create a space that you just want to live in, a space that feels good to you. I have just a few more pieces to put in place, and then Family Room Spring Decor 2026 will be complete. When your home reflects what you love, it becomes more than just a place you live in. It becomes a place you truly enjoy being in. And that's really what creating a home is all about. Thanks all so much for being here. I truly hope I did, in fact, inspire you with my design choices that I made in this video. Please do drop this video a like, and also please do remember to turn on that notification, because the next stop is going to be our kitchen, where will continue on with my black, white, and light green color scheme. And remember, you guys, whatever design choices that you make, remember to create the space that you just want to live in. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you right here real soon.